We're the Thompson teachers.
I'm Mrs. Thompson.
And I'm Miss Thompson, and we are going to be doing a science experiment. And this science experiment requires at least 1 tab of Alka-Seltzer, oil, 1 cup of oil,
Vegetable oil.
a mason jar, and some food coloring,
What about the water?
and some water.
And some water.
Take it away, Mrs. Thompson.
All right, so first up, we're gonna take 1 cup. We've already poured 1 cup of olive oil here. So,
Vegetable
I'm
oil.
sorry, vegetable oil. So we are going to just pour in the mason jar 1 cup of oil. And next up,
We're gonna pour some water in.
let's see what happens, by the way. When we pour this
Come a little bit
water.
closer, cameraman.
What are you noticing about that? Okay, that's good.
Interesting.
Interesting. Does it look like maybe something's going on there?
Oh, it looks like a reaction to me.
Looks like maybe they're separating. Water on the bottom and maybe oil on the top. Okay. Next up, some
Food coloring.
food coloring. They say about, I don't know, maybe we're gonna try 20 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, they're going to the
10.
bottom of the oil.
Here you go. You do 10 more. Miss Thompson, let's see what. Ooh, wow, look at that.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Do you want to do it like 3 more just for good measure?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, if you could see this, which I think you can, you'll notice that the food coloring is just floating on top of the oil.
No, at the bottom of the oil.
On the bottom of the oil, but on top of
The water.
the water. All right, well, next up,
The fun part.
Alka-Seltzer. So this is what the box looks like, and it has 2 tablets in there. They say do 1, but
We're gonna try 2.
we're gonna try 2. Okay, ready? Very gently, kind of just drop it.
Let's see what happens. Ooh.
Whoa.
Looks like a lava lamp to me.
Ooh, it looks like a volcano. Look at that.
Wow.
Oh my
Ooh,
goodness.
that one stayed in like
That
a
is
normal.
So cool.
Just drop.
Wow. Wonder how long this goes on for.
Oh, that even looks like.
Oh.
Make sure not to fill it too high, because if you fill it too high, it might go over. We were lucky and it didn't go too high.
Look at
Wow.
that. That is so cool. All right, kids. We hope you liked our experiment.
And you can try it at home. I hope you liked it. Bye.
Bye.